This fucked up, y'all. This is fucked up. Tell everybody you love them. Be glad when you see people. The people that's happy when you see them, and the people that's happy when they walk in the room, and the people you happy to see that walk out the room. We all gotta come together, y'all. Cause this shit fucked up. You can't walk in the storm. You can't even sneeze, bitches. Allergy season. Motherfucker pull out their 32 and shoot you. You can't even cough. Motherfucker give you the side eye real quick. Bitch, I might have COPD or something. Something might be going on up in my, people got eye problems and then their headache and their ear and they got to do a little snip. All that shit connected. Throat, nose, eye, and ears. I know this is a rough time, yo. I know this is a rough time. People got asthma. So we ought to be a little more kinder to them people when they got a little sniffle. Because everything ain't the wrong. Kirk Rona, honey, Tenderoni. This ain't Bobby Brown time. I'm just saying, y'all. We gotta be a little more kind to people. Gotta explain to you and go into detail. This is fucked up. And gotta go into detail their medical problems. And the allergy medication they taking the fucking milligrams that they on for their COPD. What the fuck is going on? You can't even have dry mouth. Because the minute you keep drinking and shit and drinking the water and swallowing, they gonna swear you trying to hold down a cough. I can't do this. I can't. And then imagine trying to get your hip in the air. Get your freak on. Motherfucker trying to come up for air and can't catch their breath. You thinking the fuck that you can smack this motherfucker in the back of his head? I can't do this. Yo. Breathe easy, y'all. Just take a deep breath when y'all think y'all gonna sneeze. Just take a deep breath real quick. That water come out your eyes. Just blink. Cause this shit is crazy. You gotta warn a motherfucker to fart. Soon as they hear a little or somebody hear a little skirt or sneeze come out you, they the fucking metamorphed pulled their 42 out or their metal bat and fucked you up. Don't be walking across the street sneezing. You can't even get your handkerchief off your pocket. They the fucking ran you over. And then the excuse is, oh, I'm my fault, officer. I sneezed too and my foot hit the motherfucking pedal and I ran him the fuck over. I can't do this. Stay safe, y'all. Be nice to everybody. Yeah.